Hey guys, welcome back to Dixie Belle's YouTube channel. My name is Lauren and I am the furniture flipping teacher. Welcome back to FFT Friday here on Dixie Belle's channel. Today I am going to be doing a simple yet effective furniture flip that I want to show you guys how I accomplish this look. I've got a picture in my head and I've gathered a little bit of inspiration from some other people that I've seen do similar flips. I'm also going to be trying something new, so be sure to stay tuned. Let's get started. We're first going to go ahead and remove the hardware. There's just one piece of hardware on this piece of furniture, so I'm just going to use my screwdriver really quick to get that out. All right, I got a different screwdriver and this one's going to work a lot better. All right, and I'm going to set this piece of hardware aside because we're definitely going to be reusing that, as well as the screws. That was easy. Now we're going to clean. So I'm going to be using Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner for cleaning this piece. Just lightly spray this around everywhere. And then I personally like to have a double bucket. So one side I will use for the initial clean and then the other side I will use for the rinse bucket. I love these mid-century legs here. Oh my gosh. Okay, and now we'll rinse everything also. All right, it's time to show you my plan. I'm gonna be using Dixie Belle's Caviar to make some fun designs on this nightstand. We're gonna be keeping some of the wood, but yeah, we're also going to be painting some of the wood. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got my painter's tape to tape off some fun shapes. First coat of the black caviar is on. So like I said, we'll let that dry for a little while and then I'll come back and do a light sanding again between coats. Before I move on to the drawer, I've always heard to peel tape off when the paint is still wet. Here we go, the moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is super cool. I love this design. I will have to do a touch up here. Cool, guys. So basically the paint has to dry and then we'll do a top coat. I'm gonna put this down and do the drawer. Then again, the paint is still wet, so I'll go ahead and peel these pieces of tape off as well. Look at that. That is pretty cool. My next step while the paint dries is to tackle the one piece of hardware. We're gonna make that pop with some gold gilding wax. So like I said, I have just one piece of hardware, so I'm using Dixie Belle's gold gilding wax. And it's not gonna take very long, but all we're gonna do is use an artist brush, a smaller brush, and take some of the gold gilding wax and apply it to the piece of hardware. So I'm just gonna leave that right there, and then I'll come back with a rag here in just a little bit and kind of buff it out a little bit. The second coat is dry, so we're ready for a top coat. And this top coat that I'm gonna be using is the Big Mama's Butter. And if you didn't know, you can actually use Big Mama's Butter not only as kind of like a furniture salve to freshen up some wood, but also you can use it to seal your pieces. Definitely get some Orange Grove Big Mama's Butter. This one's just my favorite. I'm partial to the orange scent versus the garden scent. I am going to take my same rad pad and just kind of give the legs a little bit of a scuff sand, but not too much. I don't want to take that finish off, but then that Orange Grove Big Mama's Butter will help bring it back to life. And then I've got my La Petite brush, and this is just perfect for any wax or furniture salve that you are putting on. This will be perfect for both the wood and the paint. So go ahead and do that on the drawer. Looks great. Last thing that I've got to do is put some furniture Big Mama's Butter on to the legs to also spice those up a little bit. All right, we've got a finished product here. This was a fun but quick project, something that I had never done before, and definitely something that I will do again, and probably on something bigger. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next Friday. We've got a fun one for you next Friday, so be sure not to miss it. Get subscribed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the flip side.